We're recording you. Yeah, we are. You're sitting at Lisa Marie's house.
Yay, Jasmine.
Get some little feetsies.
Look, you're sitting pretty. Yes, you are.
Huh? Oh, your hair is all done up for the first time. Oh, you're tipping. Here, give me mommy's hand. Give mommy's hand. Say, lift up.
Get up.
Lift it up.
Jasmine. Oh, she's like, oh.
You getting lazy.
My head. I need the rest of my head.
Oh, look at you. Yes, you know you're cute. You know you're cute. What are we doing, huh?
She likes those feet.
She's like, I can reach him now. I can reach him.
And, left or right?
I'm gonna eat ya. I'm gonna eat my feet. Huh? You gonna eat your feet? I got y'all.
Yay! Baby Jasmine.
Oh, look at those pretty smile. Oh, you're tipping. You're
like,
tipping.
Oh, she's like,
Can you get up on your own? Can you get up? Huh? Do you need help again? Here. Here. Back up, back up. Oh, look at you.
She's like, no, no, no.
I'm getting lazy.
Oh, I need to brush my head. Ah, it's rough, isn't it?
Huh? Oh, look at that. What are those? These are your feet. Oh, you're getting tired. Huh? Oh.